back with another video. Hi guys, Daddy has a surprise for me. So begin guys. Wow! Thank you Daddy for this Pokemon trading card game. I like it so much, Daddy. Can't wait to see a Pikachu VMAX. Oh, got the Pikachu. Oh, and Charizard. Oh, Pikachu. And the Charizard. Pikachu. This one. And this one. This and this and this. This is energy. A trainer. Another one! So cute. Wait, wait. And this is energy. Pokemon so strong. Pokemon. And then a big tail. And then I think who is this? It's Raichu GX. Raichu GX. Raichu GX. And this one, another energy, and let's get all of the energy first. Oh, and another Pikachu! Pikachu 2. When will Pikachu walk? What is Pikachu? What's this electric? Just electric. Oh, what an incredible card! What? And Chansey. What a Chansey. Oh my goodness. Oh, Staros. Pikachu VMAX here. Pikachu VMAX here. Let's give this a Pikachu VMAX. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, another Chansey! But another Chansey there. What's another Pikachu? Oh, we got the just like Pikachu. Whoa, another Pikachu. Whoa, 3, 4, 5. What? Another one? 1, 2. I don't know what it in here. Pikachu. Next deck, please, Daddy. Charizard deck. Charizard deck. Oh, it's Charmander. Yes, I got a great ball. I got it. Yes, I got it. Pokemon catcher. Tankuscan. How? Charmander. Tomato. It's okay. Oh, another great ball leader. Let's do it. For control. Oh, yes! I got the Moltres. See that? Oh, Vision. Great ball, Charmander. How? Switch. Charizard. Energy. EV energy. Oh, something there. Is a ball catcher. Ball catcher. Great ball. Energy. Chameleon. Energy. Hell. Flayon. AV again. Trainer. Weather. Energy. Charmander, a million, energy, 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 Sazam, energy, energy, Tungsten, energy, Charmander, Charizard, oh, okay, Charizard GX, wow, this is so pretty. It's so shiny. This is Charizard GX. Please let's open this music deck. I wonder what's inside. Alright. A Snorlax. Wait, energy. Oh, a Mewtwo GX. Mewtwo GX energy. Pokemon Catcher energy trainer. Legendary! Great ball. Oh, that's something else in here. This one. Oh, Mew! Energy, Espion, Essentia, Bug Hatcher, Great Ball, Energy. We've got, oh, guys, I might send this after all time. See? Thanks for watching. Bye.